In this video, I will be showing you how to integrate HubSpot with website. It's like how to connect HubSpot to WordPress. Let's focus on that. So the very first thing to do is to simply go to web browser and log into your WordPress. Now, if you want to add some plugins or if you want to unlock some features on WordPress, you really need to upgrade your plan. So, in order to do that, you have to tap upgrade your plan. And once you claim and choose a domain and you want to upgrade your plan into premium, then you have to pay for that amount in order to purchase, in order to buy, or in order to unlock some features in WordPress. So once you are upgraded, or once your plan is upgraded to premium, or let's just say you are not using the basic plan or the free plan in WordPress, then you can simply go back and go to plugins. Okay, you just have to scroll down and look for plugins, which is this one. Tap this one, and then you can see a magnifying glass or a search bar here. You just have to type HubSpot. Okay, and then once you type that one, click enter. And then you can see the result here in the very first, okay, below. You can see HubSpot. And then if you are using the premium plan of WordPress, if you click HubSpot, automatically you can see the word or the button install at the top right corner. But since I'm using the free plan or the basic plan, not the premium, I can't see that option here. All I can see is this upgrade and activate. So in order for me to see that, in order for me to install this one, this HubSpot, and integrate this HubSpot with my website in WordPress, I need to upgrade, I need to activate my plan in WordPress. Okay, so there are tons of advantages if I'm going to integrate my HubSpot with my website, which is in WordPress. If you want to know more about HubSpot, I mean, if you want to gain or to know more information about HubSpot before upgrading your plan or before installing this one, then you can simply scroll down and read the description here, the advantages of using HubSpot with your website, and how it is very useful for marketing strategy. So you can see it here, you can read it here. So just you don't know what HubSpot looks like. So here it is. In order to start, you just have to click this get started free or free. You can create your account using your Google account, sign up with Microsoft Word, or sign up with WordPress. So all you have to do is to tap your account again, and then it will take you directly to your HubSpot. So if you have an existing account, you just have to click your account, and then here it is. Continue with your account. Okay, so that's how easy it is to log in or sign up with your HubSpot. So this is what it looks like. I mean, everything is here. Send market emails to potential customers. All the jobs here are, tasks that can be done by HubSpot to make to make it easier for you, or to help you, or to help your work become easier, then I think HubSpot is the best. Why? It's because many factors are at play in order to maintain the optimization of your website. The basis is the user experience. Additionally, you must create well produced, educational, practical, and pertinent content. As potential clients and consumers interact with you, you also want to make them happy. Finally, you should keep track of everything to make sure that your efforts are advancing you towards your quarterly goals. As you can see here, if you don't know what HubSpot and WordPress is, or what does it look like when you integrate HubSpot to a website, this is what it looks like. So all the features and HubSpot is here, and it would be easier for you to do your task or to promote your website and everything here once you integrate your HubSpot to a website like WordPress. Only Only if your website visitors discover it and take action on it will your material be effective. And if they decide that you are valuable enough to move forwards with, your contacts are most valuable to them. This means that you must simultaneously maintain both of your plates and the air high quality content that attracts visitors and transforms them into paying clients who you nurture over time. You can accomplish that while using WordPress and HubSpot together. Lastly, WordPress and the HubSpot framework are two of your most effective business tools when used together. Your website's visit can easily be converted into leads by using HubSpot's marketing tools, which can be turned into clients, devoted followers, fans, and promoters. Integrating HubSpot is indeed the best with WordPress. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.